So today we're going to be creating our brand. Sign into Spark, go to My Brand. I've already chosen my logo, and now I'm going to choose my color. There are very specific colors and where you can use the logo already in place. So I'm going to go ahead and grab the primary colors. 242, 102, 81. 242, 102, 81. Oh, of course we don't have that one. We need the hex color. RGB2 hex. We say that those colors were 242, 102, and 81. And here's my hex code. Sure is a weird color. Doesn't look quite orange, does it? I think my my monitor needs to be calibrated because nothing ever looks right on this monitor. Okay, CTE that works for Nevada, and let's look back here at the branding, and they say that Calibre, Georgia, or Franklin Gothic. Ooh, I like Avenir Next. That's the one I use actually for all of our logos. So let's see if we've got that one. Okay, let's grab that. Add your own font. I have them, I think that's the one I used. Nope. Let's go with that one. Add the medium, and let's add the bold. Okay. We added the fonts. You can also use one of the fonts that they have. And there we go. Now that I've added that, I'm going to use Avenir Next. We've selected all our goodies there. Hit Next. And I'm going to call this CTE is the brand name. Make Magic Brand. Now I probably should have just made the CTE and CCSD brand. I can go back and create that one as well. But at least you get to see how it's done. That simple. Once you guys have created your brand, I just want you to upload a picture and work some of your magic there. It's creating templates, which is really nice. And here, look at that. Once you guys have done that, I would like for you to then just do a screenshot of this. Do a screenshot and upload that so it shows me, or just do a little video, but do a couple of screenshots so that we can see your brand that you've created. So choose your logo, do your color scheme, do your font, and then create a project. So if I create a branded graphic, let's go with that template. Replace the picture. Let's choose, yeah, everything looks wrong color-wise. It must be this monitor. I gotta get this fixed. Health Sciences. Leading the way for future careers. This down here. And then we just need to add the logo. I can download or I can go to share, but remember, unless you publish it, nobody will be able to see it. So you have to publish it. You can link it, share it, email it. You can even go to Google Classroom if you guys have it linked up. So if you don't have a Canvas course, you guys can have your kids turn this into Google Classroom. But I do like that you can send it right to Canvas right from there. choose branding for your class or personal, or come up with something. Come up with a color scheme and then turn that in, and then you guys are going to have your kids try to do the same.